In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a manager to Google Ads account. If a partner, agency, or colleague has requested manager access to help you run campaigns, you'll handle that approval inside your account in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through where to find the request, what you're looking at on the screen, and a few tips to keep things secure and organized as you go. With your Google Ads account open, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Click Admin, then choose Access and Security. This is the central place where you control who can view or manage your account. On the Users view, you'll see a list of everyone who's already been added directly to your account, including you. This is a great quick check to confirm you're in the right spot and to see who already has access. Now, switch to the Manager tab at the top of this page. The Manager tab is specifically for linking and overseeing manager accounts, sometimes called MCCs, that want permission to manage your campaigns from their own dashboards. In this tab, you'll see any pending requests. Each request represents a manager account asking to link to your account. When you're ready to approve one, find the request you recognize and click Accept. That's it. After you accept, the link becomes active and the manager will appear in your manager's list. They can now manage your campaigns according to the permissions that come with a manager link, while you retain ownership of the account and control of billing. If a brief confirmation message appears, just confirm your choice to complete the action. A few quick tips. Only accept requests you recognize. If something looks unfamiliar, pause and verify the requester with your team before taking action. If you don't immediately see a request, try refreshing the page, make sure you're in the correct account, or ask the requester to confirm your customer ID. Pending requests can expire, so they may need to resend if too much time has passed. After acceptance, you can return to the Manager tab anytime to review linked managers. If your collaboration changes in the future, you can come back here to update access, and that's all you need to do. Click Admin, open Access and Security, check your users list if you'd like, switch to the Manager tab, and accept the request you trust. You'll be set up for smoother collaboration while keeping full oversight of your account.